Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make pure 100% fish cutlets from fresh as well as canned fish. Our fish cutlets turn out deliciously crisp outside and moist and super tasty inside. We do not add any water to boil the fish, nor do we add bread or breadcrumbs inside. That's our secret to get incredibly delicious and super tasty fish cutlets. Step 1. Cleaning the fish. Take 12 pieces or around 800 grams of mackerels or bangdas. You can also use fresh or canned tuna. Clean and wash the mackerels properly. To learn how to clean mackerels, refer to step number 1 of our rava bangda fry recipe. The link is provided in the description box. Step 2. Preparing the fish. Ingredients required to prepare the fish are displayed on your screen now. On medium-low heat, place the mackerels in an open, thick-bottom pan and cook them. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of vinegar based on your taste preference. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1-inch stick of cinnamon broken into small pieces, 6 cloves, 12 black peppercorns. Do not add any water or cover the pan while cooking, as the fish will cook in its own liquid. Ensure all the spices are evenly spread around and inside the liquid. After around 4 to 5 minutes, turn the fish. After cooking for some time, the fish will start releasing its liquid. Ensure both sides are properly cooked. Cook until most of the liquid dries out. After around 4 to 5 minutes, mackerels are cooked. Turn the heat off and set aside to cool. Total cooking time will be 8 to 10 minutes. Debone the mackerels and shred it. Also remove and discard all the whole spices. Our shredded fish is ready. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 3 medium-sized onions and cut them fine. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies and cut them fine. Take half cup of coriander leaves and cut them fine. Take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 egg. You will need semolina or rava for coating. Step 4. Preparing the fish mixture. On medium-low heat in an open, thick-bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Cook until the onions turn translucent. Now add the ginger garlic paste.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the onions turn golden brown, add the finely cut green chilies. After a minute, add the shredded fish. If using canned fish, add it at this stage. You can use 500 grams of canned fish for this recipe. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Check for salt, vinegar, ketchup and add if required. We added half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of vinegar.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the finely cut coriander leaves and stir everything properly. Fish mixture is ready. Turn off the heat and set aside to cool. Step 5. Preparing the fish cutlets. Add the egg in the fish mixture and combine it properly. Spread the semolina in a plate or on a clean surface. Take a small portion of the fish mixture in the palm of your hand and press it together to make a round ball. Flatten the round ball in the shape of a cutlet. Place the cutlet on the semolina. Coat the semolina on all the sides using a butter knife. Shape the cutlet carefully like I have shown and ensure there are no cracks. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Similarly, prepare the remaining cutlets. Step 6. Frying the fish cutlets. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the cutlets. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on one side before turning them onto the other side. Check and turn once they are golden brown. Ensure that they are not over fried or burnt.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Remove the cutlets once they are golden brown. Similarly, fry the remaining fish cutlets. Delicious fish cutlets are ready. Serve them hot with rice and curry or serve it as an appetizer as they are really delicious. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you appreciate our efforts to bring you these detailed recipe videos. If you try this recipe, please tag us on social media. We would love to see how your dish turned out.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.